Good day, good love, and great light, illuminators and way showers. Thank you. Thank you for being with me today. This is Wendy sharing with you just another one of the infinite languages of love and languages of light, and to remind us all that everything in creation speaks its own beautiful version of its own song, its own verse in the symphony of source. And flowers are just an amazing instrument all on their own, and their beautiful energy. And so I wanted to share my extraordinary sunflower that bloomed during this 777 gateway, and just wanted to share its majesty and its love and its power, and also to share a little sun tea and light language blessing with all of you. From the multidimensional me's, I share my love. Let's see if we can catch some more flowers growing over here. Some are growing, some are finishing. All sharing their languages of love in all of their different cycles that they share with us, and their beautiful colors, and the joy that they bring in the messages. Tamina Shaveso Porvishema Kopai. Take a Tuveso Porvishema Morabai Tekia. Atashuma Vasoporeveki and Amaliva Soporvashaki. And there's Eclipse, my beautiful unicorn. So look forward to some more unicorn readings, everybody. Yato, and remember that unicorn loving energy, that fun loving energy is always all around us, and take time to play. Mialavashamalo umpire Kashimite Soporeveso, my umbaya. Tashani ki kiharisiti ala koma ala shila kotevese. Anumalave mayanuma ashumeto vina kilendo visopore ete. Anumalaveloni kiavako. It's a hazy day today. It's been raining on and off. Nashi sopato somia. So I've been kind of waiting to do this video with my sun tea. Lashi teve somonava kativis sopashono. Ashakotivisa. There's my stevia. Namela konama atavashoko. And my basil. And mint. I think I've got, mint in there. And there's a couple different kinds of mint on that pot over there. And my succulents. And my sun tea. So my sun tea's been brewing now for a couple of days because it's been raining, pouring out here. So let's see what the sun tea blessing is. And it's been out in the sun. It's been out in the moonlight. It's been out in the rain. It was out for the 777 Sirius Gateway. So it is definitely immersed in all kinds of amazing energy and power. So yeah, we'll turn over the messages here. Hang on just a second. Let's see. So some red rose tea. If you truly have nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Thank you, Vincent Van Gogh. What other tea, iced tea messages, sun tea messages, and moon tea messages do we have today? Let's see. Hang on just a second. Okay. This life is a gift. Sorry, I've been playing. I've been making soup with turmeric in it, and so my fingers are all kind of yellowy. This life is a gift. Misimari viata vikana yashaso. Samaso shavekuna betevela kuna afela kotivishiporo. Eniki sava samuni te enki shava soparavashana. Earth laughs in flowers. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Levisano tavishamakia tavishano. Liliana kilavaso. Ashano kivesano taveki. And of course, the Emissaries of the Light Collective want to share their light language, love, and messages. Forgiveness is an act of consciousness. And that is a very profound statement, and I think I'll let all of us observe that in every way that we need to. And this, so this brew has black red rose tea. We've got dandelion tea, and we have, what else did I put in here? Oh, and the positive energy tangerine. So that's today's brew and mixture. So to all of you, thank you. And every moment that I take a drink of my tea, I'll be thinking of all of you and including you in all of my love and blessings. Sana sapaliano kori kekia savashona. Tovi sono bar inte kaya savashona laliano koapalisete kashatea. Chimelo vishnu payana ke passionate kiala savisaparea. La colete keki samilala. Our neighbor was going by on his little four-wheeler. The shimideva toviamalite kaishea. And look at these teeny tiny little flowers on the stevia plant. The shimideva kia my lava. Also shamoya keshipete eshono. Alaloko. Tavisimere ala kisete. Shinomialava sama tayasha. Thank you for sharing my love and my light. Lava kumialava sopore vekia. Shenesibitia kayana tevela. And remember always to bloom right where you're planted. Lashinobiataki. I love you, I love you, I love you. Mahala kia tovesa vekia.